Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Facebook stories could not load. Please try again. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue Facebook stories could not load, please try again on your Android mobile. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the settings. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down. In last you will find system. Just tap on the system. After that you can see here date and time. Just tap on the date and time. Here you have to set, you can see here set time automatically. If this option is disabled, you just need to enable this option. After that below you will find another option, set time zone automatically. If this option is also disabled, you just need to enable it again. In some of the mobiles you will find use network provided time, or in some of the mobiles set time zone automatically. In my mobile you can see it is mentioned as set time zone automatically. So you need to enable these options. After enabling this option, then go back. Just tap on the Play Store. Then search for Facebook. If your Facebook app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating your Facebook and setting the time zone automatically, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Facebook stories could not load. Please try again. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.